Hey everybody, and welcome to Barrett-Jackson here in Scottsdale, Arizona. I'm Tyson Hughey with the Collector Car Network and AutoHunter.com. Check out this car. You probably will recognize this without even me needing to say an introduction. This is a 63 Corvette. And for anybody who's in the know about muscle cars, you remember the second gen or C2 Corvette ran from 1963 to 1967, but there was only 1 year when the Coupes had that definitive split backlight in the rear. So this is that car. And best of all, it's a highly original car. You're looking at a Riverside Red code 923A car matched with the red vinyl interior. This car came from a climate-controlled storage in a private collection. It is about as good as they get. Highly optioned car as well. We've got the AM/FM radio, the soft ray tinted glass, tachometer, great aluminum wheels with the knockoff hubcaps and white wall tires. Just an incredibly stunning machine from front to back. One thing that's interesting about this Corvette was its production stats. So the C2 Corvette went into production in September of 1962 for the 63 model year. This car rolled off the assembly line only 4 weeks into that production start. So 4th week of September 1962. So it's a highly original and early build car, all of which make it an unprecedented find here at Barrett-Jackson. So we're excited to see how this does. It's got obviously the 327 cubic inch small block under the hood paired with a Muncie M20 4-speed manual transmission. To a Corvette collector, this is probably about as close to the holy grail as you can get, and we're proud to have it here at Barrett-Jackson. So stay tuned, we'll see how this thing does on the auction block, and as always, thanks for watching.
Hey guys, thanks so much for watching our video. Be sure to hit that like and subscribe button. And remember to comment down below your thoughts. If you want to collect a car of your own, check out our website at classiccars.com, which is our online marketplace with over 30,000 listings live on the site. Also, be sure to check out our sister website, AutoHunter, which is our 7-day online auction. Thanks again, guys, and we'll see you guys in the next video.